Hello guys, today I will teach you how to solve the white cross the fast way. Okay, so uh, many of you are confused on what are the steps required. Okay, so you keep on finding the white piece, where it is, you rotate here, you rotate there, and you are confused. Okay, so I've got a lot of comments saying the first step, the solving the white cross out here, it takes a lot of time. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'll just show you how to solve the white piece pretty fast. Okay, so what to look and how you can make it faster. Okay, so in order to solve the white cross, okay, so you have to hold this cube this way where yellow is on the top, and when yellow is in the top, we need 4 white edge piece out here first. Okay, so there are good place and bad place for it. Okay, for the white edge piece. Okay, so if you look out here, one edge piece is here. Okay, so now this is in its good position. Okay, so this is the we can call it the good edge piece. Okay, so why it's called the good edge piece? Because we just have to rotate once, and yeah, once 90 degree, and it will go to its position that we are looking for. Okay, now let's look if there is any good white piece. Okay, now you can see out here this one, you just have to rotate once, and once you rotate 90 degree, it's in its position that we want. Okay, so if we have to just rotate it 90 degree, we call it a good in its good position. Okay, so we solve the 2 edges. Now let's look for the other white piece. Okay, so let's see. Okay, oh, one is out here. Okay, so this is also in its good position, because if we rotate this 180 degree, it's in it's better. Okay, so yeah, the only white piece which is not in its good position is it's right here. Okay, it's right here. So if we rotate this, you will also make a mess out of this. Okay, so we rotate it right here, and we rotate it this way. Okay, so yeah, make sure you look at the white piece. Okay, so when you have to just rotate it 90 degree, that is a good place. Sometimes it's out here. Okay, so this is the worst place where a white piece can be. Okay, so let's try with this another one. Okay, so let's look again. Okay, yellow is here. Now this is in its good position, you can see out here, and you can see that this is not in its good position, but we can make this a white edge piece in its good position by solving this one. Okay, so you can see there's white out here, so when we do 90 degree, you can see that it has been solved. Okay, but now again, this is not yet solved out here, so what we can do is we can just rotate it one more time out here, and we can just do this. Okay, so yeah, we just solved another edge piece out here. Now let's look at the last one. Last one is in its good position. Okay, so it's here. Okay, yeah, you can see that we bought the 4 white edge piece pretty fast. Okay, you do not have to continue rotating here or there, etc. Okay, so let's go back to this cube. Okay, so now once you do this, how to solve the white cross. Okay, so how to solve it? Okay, you have to look at these colors. Okay, so you have to see where are the colors out here. Okay, you have to see now look at here. Okay, so you have to just look for the ones which is nearer. Okay, so you can see that blue is here, so we just have to rotate once out here. Okay, so once we rotate it 180 degree. Okay, so here let's look for another one. You can see green is here, green center is here. Okay, so we just have to rotate once, and we solve this one. Next one, it's already solved out here, so we rotate 180 degree, and red one again, we did this. Okay, so we solved this white cross pretty fast. Okay, so let's do with this one also. So you can see this is already it's already a match with the center, so we rotate it 180 degree. This is also already in its good position. Now look for green is here, so rotate it once, and rotate it 180 degree. Last but not the least, the red one. Now you can see this red it's you have to rotate it 2 times, okay, to find its correct position. Then we just do 180 degree. Okay, we solve the white cross pretty fast. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, so if you just, I'll just scramble it once. Okay, so I'll just break it. Okay, I just want to recap it. Okay, so you put the yellow on the top, you find the good piece, just do it fast. Okay, so while solving this good piece, okay, so this is also a good piece, it's getting going down. Okay, so make sure you just plan your next move fast. Okay, so because this is in its good position, we just do this first. Okay, so if we do this, we just broke the good piece. Okay, so do this once, do this once. Okay, so you have to be careful while doing the move. Okay, you can see that this is good, we don't break it anything. Yeah, we just have to do 90 degree. Now let's look at the last one. Okay, so last one is here. So you can see that the last one you have to do more than 2 moves. Okay, so 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so yeah, you can see you just have to plan your move. Okay, you just have to plan your move and you can do it faster. Okay, now you can see out here green is here, just rotate. Okay, so yeah, when you do this, it's orange and green and red and blue is all, it's in its correct position. So we just have to rotate it 180 degree and get the white cross. Okay, this is how you solve a white cross fast. Sorry, this is how you solve the white cross fast. Thank you.